baby, I can say it by the rules. Everything I'm better when you do. Why you always wanna hold?
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope everyone is always healthy. This time I want to make mini bags, books and pens. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel first. Well, it's really cute, is not it? Because of its mini size, you can take it anywhere. When you have finished using it, you can put the book and mini pen back into the mini bag. Keep watching the video until the end, okay?
Gonna wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. All the time you wasted. So easily persuaded. Life is flashing by, live before you die. Are you gonna take it? All the time you wasted. Acting dumb and getting faded. Grains of sand in an hourglass. Time slips away so fast. A second hand ticks away. know that I was dealing with this life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to be, maybe laughing out with to say me, a superhero in this. A superhero in this. You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the cross to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to be, maybe laughing out with to say me, a superhero in your sleep. I saw you, I saw you, I saw you,
I love the way you sound. Your voice enticing. Can't help but keep you around. No need to fight it, yeah. 'Cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's
一个苹果等你从门前经过，送到你的手中帮你解渴。
像夏天的可乐，像冬天的可可，那是对的时间，对的角色。
已经约定过，一起过下个周末。你的小小情绪对我来说，
我也不知为何，伤口还没愈合，你就这样闯进我的心窝。是你让我看见干枯沙漠开出花一朵，是你让我想要每天为你写一首情歌，用最浪漫的副歌，你也轻轻的附和，眼神坚定着我们的选择。是你让我的世界从那刻变成粉红色，是你让我的生活处处都只要你配合，爱要精心来雕刻。我是米开朗基罗，用心刻画最幸福的风格。
看见干枯沙漠开出花一朵，是你让我想要每天为你写一首情歌，
爱要精心来雕刻。我是米开朗基罗。Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle, still trying to find out which road to follow. Always try to ride those big planes, said that you would find with my mistakes. Now we're trying to call on yesterday to go. Got you like everywhere I go. Top of all the lounges are ready to go. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me guess the song when the sun is coming down. And you feel it.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Like the